guys, welcome to Hamsa Yoga Centre. This is me, Yogi. In today's video, I am going to show how to do a easy way to Bakasana. Bakasana is one of the very basic balancing pose. To do Bakasana, you want to understand just the two things. One, your wrist want to be strong, and one is your shoulder want to be strong. If your two wrist and your shoulder are stronger, then you can easily do a Bakasana. Let us begin. First, I am going to show you with the help of the two bricks. So just put a two bricks that it should be a shoulder level. It should be a shoulder distance should be there, and put your palms wider like this way. Put your palms wider on the bricks and slowly raise your it up. So you should come to this posture, and with bending your knee, put your knee to the triceps and slowly bend your elbow. Just bend your elbow and push your weight forward like this. See, just a little moment that you want to push your hip forward like this, and don't straighten up your elbows, just raise your one leg up. Hold here. Put your weight completely on your wrist and stay. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Now slowly down, opposite side, lift the same way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and relax. Now slowly come back to Malasana and shake your hands. Just feel weight on your wrist and slowly balance and stay there. Don't worry if you feel you are falling down, just put a pillow on there and do comfortably. Come, let us do one more time the same way. Palms open. So whenever you do a balancing pose, it may be any balancing pose, a plank variation, or your palms should be open like this. Your fingers should be open, that your complete palms will be touching to the floor or touching to the mat. When you open your fingers like this, your complete palms will be down. Come, let us do. So same way, slowly come up this way. Just put your knee proper way and come straight way like this. So what we done last time, we have done like this with bending the elbow, but now we are straightening the elbows and coming like this. You want to complete weight on your wrist. Come this way. Lift your one leg up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, and relax. Very good. Shake your hands. Very good. So now let us try without the bricks. Same way how you are in this posture, same way when you are coming up, your pose should be same. So what I am trying to say your knee should be touching to your triceps or here. This part of your hand should touch to your triceps, not outside. This is a wrong one. This is a right one. See the difference? This is wrong. This is a right one. You should put your knee a proper way. Now let us do. Now slowly come up. Put your knee proper way. Now slowly straightening your elbow and balance. Relax. Up and relax. Up and relax. Now slowly down and shake your hands. Very good. Now slowly come up. One more time. Let us do. This time let's going. We are going to hold for a long time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now slowly down, other side. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Relax. Now slowly shake your hands and rotate. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Other side. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Very good. So let us try a final touch. So this time we are going to lift two legs, but not for a long time. Let us try to hold little, not for long time, just for a little while. Come, slowly same way, come up, place your palms down and slowly place your knee proper way and come up. Balance here. If you feel it's easy, then lift your one leg up and down, up and down, up and down. So be careful whenever you're doing this, be careful and do. So don't do a jerky movement. Remember this, don't do jerky movement. When you do a jerky movement, there is more chance to fall down. Please try to Push your weight forward and lift up your body. Don't do jerky movement like this. Now slowly come on, same way. Last time try. Slowly up. Lift your leg up. And balance another leg up. And hold. And relax. Very good. Shake your hand. Shake, 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 shake. Very good. Split circle. 1, 2, 3. Other side. 1, 2, and 3. Slowly shake your hands. Very good. Relax. So let us try to hold for a long time now. Compared to your previous one, let us try to hold for a long time. Come, same way up. Place your palms down and knee down to your hands. Slowly, 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 slowly. Balance, 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 balance. Up and relax. Relax, very good. Shake your hands and relax. That's it, guys. This is a easy way to do a Bakasana. Do you follow this easily? You can do a Bakasana within a week, easily, without any effort. Just do for a week, daily. That's your hands will become more strong. If you like this video, click a like button. If you have any doubt, if you want any request about a video, please do comment down. If you are new visitor to our channel, please do subscribe and click a bell icon that you are not going to miss any video from Hamsa Yoga Centre. See you soon. Namaste.